Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting and comprehensive session in store for you. We'll be delving deep into the world of self-promotion, personal branding, and marketing. Whether you're a budding entrepreneur, a creative freelancer, or just someone seeking to stand out in a crowded digital landscape, this guide will equip you with the essential tools to truly master the art of self-promotion. Let's begin by clarifying the concept of self-promotion. It's more than just trumpeting your achievements. It's about effectively showcasing your skills, talents, and the value you bring to the table. In today's competitive digital age, having exceptional skills isn't enough. You need to know how to craft your personal brand narrative and communicate your unique value proposition to your target audience. Your personal brand is your distinct identity in the professional world. It's what sets you apart and makes you memorable. Discover what makes you tick and where your expertise lies. Understand who your ideal audience is, who can benefit most from your offerings. Create a concise yet impactful statement that encapsulates your core values and what you bring to the table. Maintain a uniform presence across social media platforms, a personal website, and other relevant outlets. To put these steps into perspective, let's examine how famous personalities like Bill Gates has successfully built their personal brand around the world. Your message should resonate with your target audience and clearly communicate your unique value proposition. Develop a succinct elevator pitch that concisely introduces who you are, what you do, and why you're exceptional. Harness the power of storytelling to share relatable anecdotes that showcase your journey, hurdles overcome, and triumphs achieved. Social media platforms are your allies in self-promotion and personal branding. Opt for platforms where your target audience is most active, and tailor your content accordingly. Consistently share valuable content, engage with your audience authentically, and actively participate in pertinent conversations. Cultivating a robust network opens doors to opportunities and fruitful collaborations. Meet like-minded professionals and expand your horizons. Build meaningful relationships founded on mutual respect and shared interests. Be generous in sharing insights and support before asking for anything in return. Strategic partnerships amplify your reach and bolster your credibility in your niche. To refine your strategies, it's crucial to gauge your progress and outcomes. Monitor key metrics such as engagement rates, reach, website traffic, and conversion rates. Leverage data-driven insights to fine-tune your self-promotion approaches for optimal results. To sum up, we've traversed the realm of self-promotion and personal branding. Remember, self-promotion isn't about arrogance. It's about confidently showcasing your distinctive value. Now, it's your turn to take action. Implement these strategies and witness your personal brand flourish. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this content valuable, remember to subscribe and activate notifications to stay in the loop with our upcoming content. As we draw this session to a close, we extend our gratitude for your presence. Should you have any queries or suggestions for future topics, please leave them in the comments below. Until we meet again, keep honing the art of self-promotion and nurturing your personal brand. Farewell and take care.